What's up, y'all? It's your girl Mila B, and welcome back to my channel. So I know it's fall, I know it's cold, but it's wash day, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I just want to be lazy. So I'm doing a wash and go. I have my diffuser to diffuse my hair so I do not get sick with it being wet. The product that I'm going to use is the XTREME wet line. Now, I know gel is not good for your hair, but with my texture, for my curls to be defined and for me to have my inches, because you know shrinkage is definitely a problem, I use gel. I do gotta take care of my hair to make sure my hair does not dry out from the gel, so I'm not even worried about that. But anyways, this XTREME wet line, I've been looking at a lot of other YouTubers use it and how it is defining their curls, making their curls really bouncy. I love me some eco style, but I was very excited to try this brand. I have the XTREME fixation in the number 10, 24-hour duration. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off my head. Woo. Yes, spritz it as I go and do my wash and go. So without further ado, let's go get into it. Diffusing. Here is what my hair is looking like. For the most part, it is dry by my roots. I will tell you guys that I used the setting for the diffuser on cool, and I did pull my hair to try and give it some more length, but this is what we have. I have my pick for the final touches because you guys know I love big hair. So just to really make sure my roots are picked out, that's what I'm going to do to give my hair some of a fuller look. Can't wait for my hair to get longer. Cannot wait, guys. I really cannot wait for my hair to get longer. And I know over time, as this becomes a day 2, day 3 wash and go, it is gonna do nothing but get bigger, which I am perfectly okay with. Here is my final look. I love my curls. I love this wash and go. I love my twist in the front. Yes, and I love the wet line, XTREME line for my wash and go. My curls are popping. Right now, I don't feel a crunch or anything. That could change over the course and duration of me having this style. but I love it. Here it is up close and up personal. God, look at these definitions. Look at these curls. So you guys already to do, like, share, comment. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.